Deep in the beautiful whispering woods lived a small grey rabbit named Oliver. He was friendly, kind, and always ready to help others. He had many friends, including deer, squirrels, mice, and even a wise old bear. Oliver was very proud of his many friendships. He often thought, I am the luckiest rabbit in the forest. If I ever have a problem, my friends will help me. Oliver was always helping others. He collected berries for old squirrels, warned the mice when a hawk was nearby, and played with the young deer. Everyone liked him and often told him, You can always count on us. One summer morning, a strong storm suddenly came to the forest. Dark clouds covered the sky, and heavy rain began to fall. The wind shook the trees, and the river near Oliver's home started rising quickly. Oliver became frightened. He ran to his friends for help. First, he went to the deer, but they had already moved to higher ground. Then he looked for the squirrels, but they were busy protecting their homes. The mice were hiding safely inside their small holes, and the old bear was deep inside his cave. For the first time, Oliver felt completely alone. I thought I had so many friends, he said sadly. Why is nobody here to help me? Then Oliver remembered something his mother had once told him. Friends are important, but you must also learn to trust yourself. Oliver looked around carefully. He noticed a small path leading toward a hill. Using all his strength, he ran up the path and found a dry, safe place under a large tree. The storm continued for hours, but Oliver stayed safe. When the rain finally stopped, his friends came to look for him. They were happy to see that he was safe. Oliver smiled and said, I am grateful for all of you, but today I learned an important lesson. I cannot always depend on others. Sometimes I must believe in myself and find my own way. From that day on, Oliver continued to be kind and helpful, but he also became more confident and learned to solve problems on his own. Moral of the story: friends can help us in difficult times, but we should always learn to trust ourselves and believe in our own abilities. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.